documentary or something?
We're trying to sell like the next one here. Larry doesn't know us yet, but we hope to get at least a third of it.
Make the bugs and run off to Canada probably.
Hey Phil, what's happening?
Hi, Mom.
Get out of here. What you got on call?
No, he was people running cycles and wanted to come in. Thank goodness it was over quick.
I didn't know about that.
You know about cycles already.
Well, don't stick your tongue out whenever you're there. Well, say something.
What do you want me to say? I don't like doing it. Doesn't have a good voice thing,
It's in stereo.
it does not. Let me see.
It's in color too.
Looks like you're doing my runs.
No, I'm looking right. I got, you know. I'm just showing what you're working at.
You don't have that on, Brian. Get out of here. You better not have that on.
It's in stereo. Hey, Greg.
What have you got?
Camera.
Is that your
I'm making a video.
camera?
I'm just making a video tape.
Oh, I'm gonna be in a video?
Mm-hmm. Let's see your screen.